Had a lot of trouble with my stove last trip. I went and cleaned it out really good. It seems to be working well now. Wow, that boiled so quickly. All right, got some boiling back rice. And we got these curry packs. Let them get warm. All right. Got some instant Japanese curry here. Just heat and serve. Piping hot curry just sounds so amazing right now. All this hot water and hot curry is just steaming my shelter up. I can tell a real temperature difference between my head and my feet. Gotta eat fast in the wintertime. Your food gets cold very quickly. Man, that hit the spot.